Alright, so I usually don't go into trips like very blindly, but I kind of just booked this one because I wanted to check it out. Two things I've noticed so far is the weather here is like amazing, dude. It's like 70. You could wear like a jacket, or you can wear jeans. You can wear anything and feel comfortable. Second thing is, I noticed right after I left the airport, I'm like, they didn't even stamp my like passport when I walked in. I scanned my passport on like a machine, and that was it. They just let me right in. So I had to look that up after. So I guess that's not like a thing over here. They just scan the passport. There is no stamp or anything. All right, well, it's 1:30 the next day. I'm just gonna start it now. That Four Loko was definitely not a good idea. But anyway, time to get the day started now.
Tiene que ser 2 minutos después, cuando se hace 200. No grabes, güey, no grabes.
Alright, well, they obviously did not like the camera over there. Alright, well, that was fucking crazy. I was just walking through like a little market real quick. I wasn't trying to film anyone specifically. I was just filming like the stuff on the tables. And like 3-4 people just jumped out. They fucking grabbed my camera at the top. Like, it's not even recording on there. So I just put the camera in my pocket. I just walked away. The even crazier thing is, there's so many. This whole street is just all police. But they're like not up there at the market I was just at. I have no clue what the plan is right now. We're just walking around checking it out. I'm gonna get some food. I think there's some museums I want to check out. How we feeling though, Diaz? They real or not? I don't know. Okay, we made it to the historic city center right here. They have some like Aztec, like Mayan thing going on today. I can show you. So right here is Mexico City's Chinatown. Just like most people, I was unaware that there was a Chinatown down here, but there's actually a growing like Asian community in Mexico City, so it's pretty cool to see. So we're gonna check out some of the restaurants, some of the little shops they got. Gotta make a quick stop, get another drink before we get the night started. I was like, damn it, all the convenience stores are closed, but I guess you just get served through the window right here. All right, we're good. We got the drink. Ready to head to Roma. It's not too far of a walk. It's a nice little walk. 20-something minutes, so let's head there now. We're going to meet one of our friends. I just met him yesterday, but he was pretty cool, so we're gonna go out again today. So I'm going down there to meet him. Honestly, I forgot his name, so Hopefully he doesn't get mad or anything.
Yeah, for me to get back, well,
I've never seen this. So you gotta pay for chips. So with the chips, like one drink is 5 of these little chips. So that's how you pay for the drinks. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. I have 2 goals today. Number 1, I want to try using the metro. Number 2, I want to try and find these cable cars to go take a ride on. So let's go and try and find that.
Tarjeta, ¿no tienes tarjeta? ¿No tienes tarjeta?
Sí.
Tienes que entrar con una de
Oh,
estas.
sí. Yo necesito.
Ok.
Sí.
Cuesta 15 pesos y con 10 pesos más para 2 viajes. Eso.
Sí.
Ya.
Gracias. I've been trying this whole trip to not use Google Translate either. I've only had to use it a couple times. I'm just trying to get more used to hearing the Spanish words and everything. Está aquí.
del otro lado, tú no sé.
Alright, we just got off. I had to go to 3 different stations to get here. But honestly, dude, I give that like an 8 or 9 out of 10. Like, it was super clean down there. It cost 10 cents for the card, or 10 pesos, so like 50 cents for the card, and then it was 5 pesos, so 27 cents to actually ride it. But once you have the card, you can ride it, you know, for 5 pesos each time. So I definitely enjoyed that compared to the New York Metro. But here we are. This is I don't even know how to say this park. Bosque Chapultepec or something like that. I don't know. It's like the biggest park in Mexico City. So let's go explore it a little. Yeah, this park is huge. So over there is the Modern Art Museum. This way is the Anthropologic, or however you say it, museum. Over there is another type of museum. And then just the overall size of the park, it's like huge. It goes all the way. This is the whole park, all this. So I'm definitely not gonna be able to, you would need like a couple days to really explore everything in here. So I'm just gonna briefly walk through and check it out. Dude, I have no clue what's going on. So I wanna go to the top of this thing, and they're like, oh, you're a Mexican national or a tourist? And I said tourist. The line for like the residence was like super long, and they said I had to buy a ticket for 100 pesos, so I buy it. Then they just let me straight to the front, and then yeah, they just like let me through. I didn't have to wait on anything, so I don't know. I don't even know if I really needed this ticket, because they didn't even check it. They were just like, all right, yeah, go through. All Alright, we made it. I have no clue what this is. I just seen it on top of the hill. I'm like, I want to go up there. So it's supposed to be like a viewpoint somewhere on the side over here. Let's go figure out what this is exactly. Alright, time to get some food now, bro. That's like a super good round. Come on. Yo quiero chicharrones.
¿Preparado?
Sí.
¿Todo?
Sí. Dude, I'm gonna weigh 300 pounds by the time I leave here. Dude, look at this thing. ¿Cómo te llamo?
Yo, Francisco.
Francisco. Muy bonita aquí.
Ah, ¿te gusta?
Sí. Tranquilo.
El clima.
Sí.
Clima muy bueno.
Yo soy aprendiendo español muy lento.
Ah, muy lento.
Sí.
Y nada más aquí en México o a Guadalajara.
Oh, no.
No.
Solo
México.
México, ya, sí.
Oaxaca, Vallarta,
Oaxaca.
Cancún,
Muy bien.
las playas,
Sí.
Cancún.
Sí, que con mucho dinero en Tulum. Sí. Okay, an hour and a half later, I finally made it to this cable car place. Let's put this in English. I get change, purchase. Okay. Alright, be careful with that machine because I put my card in. It gives you a minute before the machine times out, and I already put 50 pesos in. I was adding more, and it timed out, and then it just took all my money. So.
Pase usted.
Alright, we made it to the last stop on the cable bus. That was really cool. It was a lot longer than I was thinking. It was probably 30, 45 minutes or something to get to the end. So now we're in Santa Fe.
Igual que yo.
See if we can run across real quick. Sketchy. You know what? Let's see.
Sí, así sería 34. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes.
Cinco.
¿A cómo está la manzana, amor?
45.
Ahorita te doy tu pan.
Gracias. It feels like I'm really in Mexico now. The way these streets are set up and everything. So I'm gonna try and get some food at one of these places. It's very, very crowded over here. Traffic's insane. Alright, so update. I wanted to go to a park over here, and I thought it would just be pretty simple just to walk through. But I think this is like where the park is located. It's like outside like a military base, or like it says National Guard, and like pretty sure there's like military housing or something. I don't know. So the military police had to talk to me before I entered and everything. Some girl told me to go this way, so we'll see. Very interesting architecture. I don't know exactly what those slabs are for. I guess maybe to keep sunlight or heat or something. I think I see the entrance up here. There's more military police. So let's go see. Yeah, this reminds me of Thailand when I was going to the beach over there. And it ended up being on like a, it wasn't abandoned. They were still using it, but not all of it. It was a Navy like base. So it's like the same thing over here, like military, police, like National Guard. I don't know, it's some type of base. But yeah, they definitely keep an eye out on you when you're walking through here. Yeah, I'm definitely about to climb this. Oh, probably should have put the head mount on. Okay, this is a little sketchy with one hand. let me turn this off. This is beautiful, man. This is a nice break from like the downtown, like the city. So I know where I'm at now. So earlier, I was gonna get off the cable car, but I was like, oh, it doesn't really look like there's anything there. I just seen this like platform and stuff. So it was the next exit I got off of. But this was there's like a huge like canyon, I guess you could say, down there. So I want to go see if there's a viewpoint or something. Could take some pictures. I'm gonna go up here, but I don't think I'll really be able to see it. What the fuck? Okay, that's super sketchy. This is like paper thin. This is probably the highest viewpoint I'm gonna get. This little tower I found. Alright, so now we're in Roma Norte. This is probably the most gentrified area of Mexico City, but honestly it looks really nice, so I can't be too mad. It's like a very hipster type of area. A lot of coffee shops, thrift stores, that type of stuff. So. Yeah, without fail, like every day at 5 or 6 p.m. it rains. Every single day I've been here. It's not really that big of a deal. It's just like the weather is very predictable because it does the same thing every day. So probably should go inside somewhere. All right, we made it to the Mexican casino. This is Grand Casino in I don't know where. Frontan, Mexico. Dude, I don't even think I'm winning anything. Alright, let's go see what else they got. I wish I had some table games or something. Some blackjack maybe. I don't know what else they got. Whole lot extra. I don't know what the buttons say. It's blinking at me, I'm gonna press it. Alright, casino time's over. I don't know how people sit there and just play slots, dude. Like, even on the bare minimum, it just ran through my money so quick. So I just gave up. I left that table. And then I went to the bingo machine. That's where I actually started winning some stuff, but I still called it a night. Got kind of boring with bingo. Anyway, we got our food.